Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Do you need to adjust your alarm volume? Whether it's too loud or too quiet, I've got you covered. Let's fix it. The first step is to go to the Settings app, open Settings and scroll to Sounds and Haptics. Next, you adjust the ringer and alert slider. Under the ringer and alert, use the slider to set your preferred alarm volume. This controls both alarm and ringtones. You should also enable the change with volume option. Toggle on change with volume if you want to adjust the alarm volume using the side buttons. The next step is to test your alarm. Head over to the clock app. Now you set a quick alarm to ensure the volume is at perfect level. And there you have it guys, your alarm volume is sorted. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.